Hey everyone, Jake here for American Muscle, and today I've got the McLeod RST Twin Disc 800 horsepower clutch kit with the steel flywheel, fitting 2011 to 2017 Mustang GTs, as well as 2012 to 2013 Boss 302s. If you're already making big power with your S197, the clutch is going to need upgrading too. This is a premium option from one of the biggest names in the game. It's going to give you the ability to hold up to 800 horsepower while still remaining very drivable out on the street. McLeod is one of the companies whose reputation precedes them. Even if you aren't super well versed in clutches, you probably know that name. They've been around a long time and lots of muscle car owners swear by their stuff. And what we've got here in particular is their RST Twin Disc setup. So this is a street-oriented clutch that is built to withstand up to 800 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. So this is an ideal setup if you've already gone with forced induction or you're planning to go there in short order with your build. While it might be a little bit of overkill for an otherwise stock car, it does still behave really well. McLeod engineered this to have very consistent, very smooth engagement every time. So you get a nice light pedal feel with this one too, meaning that if you do get stuck in traffic, it's not going to kill your left leg. That is thanks to the organic lining that's being used, but as we were talking about, this still has some serious holding power. Now, twin discs are great in comparison to a stock single disc for this exact reason. They offer you more surface area and more material for the surfaces to bite on. More surface area means that you're going to have a very sure-footed grip every time you engage that clutch. And you're not going to get out limping every time you get stuck at a traffic light either, which not a lot of high horsepower cars can do. So this one overall is very, very streetable. Now that's not to say that this is fit for drag cars or competition use. McLeod very clearly designed the RST for street driving. So it is going to hold the power, but it's not going to be untractable like a triple disc or something like that, or one with a lightweight flywheel, or just a general more aggressive clutch setup might be. So if you're driving your car out on the street, but you're still looking to make some big power numbers, this is going to be a great choice for you. Befitting their reputation and the price point, this is a very high quality kit. It's almost a shame that nobody's going to see it once it's in the car because it's actually pretty darn cool looking when you pull it out of the box. Now, the clutch discs inside utilize an organic material for, again, better friction, but that smooth engagement and feel like we were discussing earlier. The flywheel here is made from CNC machined billet steel. You've got hardened steel ring gears on the outside. Now this sucker weighs about 30 pounds, so while it's not as light as an aluminum flywheel might be, it's even stronger and it's going to keep your car very easy and tractable to drive out on the street. Now this is an 8-bolt flywheel as well, but that should be exactly what you need to get it on your car. McLeod also thoughtfully includes an alignment tool here, so if you don't have one ready and handy to go, they've got it ready for you, so you don't have to go out and buy that, and you can just get this job done. Pricing comes in at about $1,100, and that does put it in the more premium category as compared to other clutches, especially when you're comparing this to other streetable twin discs. However, again, you're getting a super high quality product here and one that maintains your car's everyday drivability. So while you may have to spend a few more bucks to get there, this means that you can daily an up to 800 horsepower car without having to worry about it or worry about getting stuck in traffic and hating every second of it. And to me, I think that's pretty cool. So if you're looking to go that route, this is going to be an excellent choice for you. As you might expect, installation is going to get a 3 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and you should budget at least 4 hours to get this job done. Now, if you're familiar and you've done this before, you move through it fast, you can certainly do that. But if it's your first time swapping a clutch, make sure you leave yourself a little bit more time to get it done, because a lot of stuff's got to come out of the way to get this sucker in. Once you've got it in, everything's wrapped up too, make sure that you follow the break-in procedure instructions. Take it easy, use the clutch for a couple 100 miles at least to make sure it's worn in properly and it's going to last you a long time. That way you can enjoy this for a long time to come. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the McLeod RST Twin Disc 800 horsepower organic clutch kit with the 8-bolt steel flywheel, fitting 2011 to 2017 Mustang GT, as well as 2012 to 2013 Boss 302s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.